Yo, what's good everyone? It's MJO23Dan back with another video. Now I know I haven't been pumping out videos like I want to, but with good reason. So I published my very own website, which is truly amazing because I've always wanted to be able to have a site for myself, a platform for myself, to be able to share and bring knowledge to the community and all of that good stuff. So let me just go ahead and show you what the details are with my site. So check it out.
All right, so here we go. Welcome to www.mjo23dan.com. I'm here on the back end of things, so you guys can see my settings and how to change the theme and all that stuff. I got a really good theme, actually. It's very clean, looks nice, it's simple. So basically, when you look at the site, I am the professional Air Jordan collector since 1995. I kind of wanted to have a statement tagline. It's on all my social medias. So here are my social: Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. Also have a search area right here, so if you guys want to ever search the site, you guys can check that out. So here's the menu: home, about, basically about me. We'll read about that. The links, this is pretty much an area where, I have my big time supporters, so I'll have my links of people in there. You guys can check that out. The guide section is going to be like an Air Jordan guide, so pretty much stuff that you don't normally see on any of the other websites. It's going to be, I actually am looking forward to it being a bit more detailed, so when you click in there, you're going to see a bunch of the Air Jordans 1 through 32. We're going into the 33, so that'll be one thing. The shop area right here, this is going to be an area where you're going to be able to shop for items like either I'm selling or shirts, merch, stickers, you name it. So you hit the shop and it's under works. So I'm trying to figure it out still. So right now I kind of have something as a sample. It is stickers. And so when you click on the stickers here, it's going to give you a description of what it is, how many, the SKU number, the description, any additional information and how to purchase. So look out for that. My contact area, pretty much what you do. If you want to contact me, you want to do any type of advertising or anything like that, this will be the area where you do it. Contact, name, email, your social media handle if you have one, and then basically your click to verify and submit. Below any of the other pages from the blog, you're going to have your social sharing. So Facebook, Twitter, Google+, email, Pinterest, and I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this StumbleUpon. I'm not sure if anyone else pretty much uses it. As far as ads and stuff, well, this is an area where on the sidebar you can subscribe to me, so I encourage you to subscribe if you do support. I am linked up with StockX, so you'll see a banner of StockX on the sidebar here, and then below it, it looks like another StockX banner, but this is actually a Google ad, so it just helps to monetize the site. Down below in this footer area, you have the navigation section, pretty much the menu again, my recent posts. How many visitors? Pretty much 1,764 and counting. This is always going to go up. Hopefully you guys support. The follow area, my social contacts, and then the subscribe area. My policy, privacy policy, my comment policy, terms of use, and then this little Easter egg right here is Cooper. This is, if I haven't mentioned it before, it's my Chihuahua. And yeah, so let me go ahead and go over what you'll see in a post. All right, so we're going to go back to the home page so you guys can see where all the posts are. This is going to be an area we're going to read up on pretty regularly. You'll have the main header up at the top here, and these are going to be all the newest articles, so you can sift through all the different posts. Let's go ahead and go into first love, my first love, because I think a lot of people like to hear the story of how I started in sneakers. Okay, so you're going to have that nice featured image right up the top, and then proceed down to the post. And, it's very beautifully written. Of course, I did it myself. No. But yeah, joking along. This is a great, story that I hold near and dear to my heart. It is, I sold the shoe. You'll story. And then what that shoe has pretty much amassed to of a collection of Air Jordans. And, I posted this a few years ago. You guys can check it out. But then below that, again, the sharing icons here, and then any of the articles that I have that you guys can read up on. You can search for tags. You can, just above this comment policy box here, the linked articles as well, previous and then the next. And then down here is it's called Discuss. It's a comment section. It's a comment area for you guys can check out. Start the discussion. Let me know what you guys think about the article. I would love your feedback, anything that is relative to the story that you guys just read. And this would be an area where, I look forward to seeing. So anyways, I guess that's about it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. I appreciate all your guys' support. This is the first website that I'm going to be, keeping up with, and I love it. I've always wanted to have something that was just a part of me, a platform that you guys can read about. All of my social. This is like the hub of everything.
So yeah, that's that. That's mjo23dan.com. Thank you guys for, all your support. Like I said, I know I haven't been pumping out videos. I'm not slowing down. I'm actually just doing work on the back end so I can, continue to share stories and news and all that stuff. So, I hope you guys support. Let me know if you guys do. Subscribe to my YouTube, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Facebook. Visit the site mjo23dan.com, and I will talk to you guys on the other side. Take care.